Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2015 Hyundai IX35, stock number 7199. It's ran from the 6th 2013 and the 1st 2016. It's a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front guard, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, your AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke manual steering wheel, instrument cluster.